guys. Welcome back to my channel.
What did you say?
Welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my hood.
Welcome back to my hood. We're opening another box. God is provisions. You know. I already cut it open. And we're opening now. Wow. Ooh, look. They use the same color stringy things as my...
Have you used it? Oh, have you opened it already?
No, I haven't seen what's in it. They use the same color stringy things as my Witch's Moon box, so I'm just gonna put this over here. Oh, I thought this was a jelly bean. It's a rock. Okay, so we got some more. What is up with this sandalwood? I got sandalwood in my in my Witch's Moon box, but we got some more sandalwood, cone, incense. I'm pretty sure. Yep, they smell good. Yeah, they smell good. I think these are from Walt. No, they're not. Yeah, these smell good. Where's my card? Oh. Well, I guess... Where's my card so I can see what's in here? Well, I mean, I don't see a card. But this other big thing we got here... Ooh. Oh, we got some harmonizing aromatherapy spritzer. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I like tits. Okay, where's my card? There's supposed to be a card up in here to tell me what all my stuff is, and I want to find it. Why would they put it at the bottom? Okay. So, this month's box is called Tap Into Your Body's Wisdom. Kapow. Okay? Actually, it's not. That's not what it's called. It's called something wellness. I don't know what that says. What does this say, Kasia? Kasia, what does this say?
The first word?
Yeah.
Because the second word says wellness.
No shit. What does the first word say?
Ayurvedic.
What does it say?
Ayurvedic.
Alexa. AYURVEDIC.
Sorry, I don't know that.
She's so stupid. Okay, so the first thing, look, I found the card, so I'm gonna go over it, okay? Sorry, someone was out there. Okay, so obviously these are sandalwood cone incense. And it says, burn these incense cones to create a calm and meditative environment, obviously, because they're cone incense, okay? But the next thing is this. And this is aromatherapy mist for harmonizing all three doshas, featuring lavender, can't say that word, orange, and cedar. To harmonize, shake, spritz liberally on face and body. Oh. Inhale deeply, enjoy the blissful experience. Okay. And it has water, essential oils of lavender. This word I can't spell, wild orange, and cedar. Certified organic. Alright, we're shaking and we're spritzing. Do you like it?
What is that?
It's aromatherapy.
You know, perfume just means smell.
Yeah.
Or scent. Just means scent.
I like how it smells. I just don't like the... I don't know which part I don't like. There's a part, one essential oil that's not a good blend with this, but it smells okay. I could use it. I would use it. And this is what it's called. They always give me crap I can't pronounce. It says the P word is an artesian line of small batch. We're not going to read this because I don't know what these words are. But yeah, let's go on to the next thing. We got this latte mix. Caffeine free. Turmeric. Yeah, turmeric latte mix. Focus on it. Okay, there we go. And this is, it says mix this golden milk powder into hot water or your favorite milk to help reduce inflammation in your body. Let's open it. Oh, this is really gold too. Wow, because turmeric's a plant, obviously. It smells good. Look at that. Smell. Deja. No, it's turmeric.
What?
Turmeric. It's a plant, but it's a latte.
Clearly.
This is a latte mix. Okay. Now we got this tongue scraper. What they trying to say? Run this over your tongue each morning to remove buildup and bacteria in your mouth. Look at my tongue scraper.
Oh, girl, I thought. No.
This is a tongue scraper.
My dad. Boogie, woogie, woogie.
It's copper.
Wait, why do you need that?
It says, run this over your tongue each morning to remove the buildup and bacteria from your mouth. They must know my breath be stinking.
That's
The-
what
the morning.
scrubbing your tongue with your toothbrush.
Yeah, I can't do it because I gag. But I'm not going to do that. Right now, next, we got this little... Oh, we got essential oils! Oh, we got essential oils! Let's open it, shall we? All right. Open sesame. Okay. We got Calming Zen organic blend of essential oil. Okay, what's in it? We got some lavender, peppermint, bergamot oil blend diffuser. I do got an oil diffuser. And oil burner or body oil to balance the emotional body. Okay, so let's give her a smell. Oh, it smells good. Oh, got it on my nose. Yeah, it smells really good actually. So this is what that looks like. Focus on me. There we go. That's what that looks like. It smells good. Alright, next we got another bottle. Bottles. This is a Balance Guru scalp treatment. Because you know we back to hair products in here. Organic, nourished scalp treatment. Soothe and strengthen. What are the ingredients say? We got aloe leaf juice, which is good. We got sweet orange peel, which is good. We got something flower extract, basil oil, nettle, lavender. Okay, it's safe. Okay, it says relax your mind and body with a gentle head massage with this scalp treatment that delivers nourishing botanicals straight to your roots. And this is what that looks like. And we're gonna open it. Oh, this looks interesting. It looks foggy looking. Oh. Smells good. Smells really good. Huh. Okay. And then we got a stone. What kind of stone is this? Carneal. Good for pitta imbalance. This stone promotes self-empowerment, boosts willpower, enhances viability, and
It's not
amplifies.
pitta imbalance. It's PTA imbalance.
No, it's PITTA. And then it says enhances vitality and amplifies the life force energy. This is what it looks like.